Okay, go ahead.
Uh-oh.
What were you asking her, Jada?
Nothing.
Did you just ask her if she was having a good time at our house?
Yeah.
What did she say?
She said, ooh.
Do you think she's having a good time?
Do you think I'm having a good time?
Good girl.
Hi, Naila. Did you spit it? Oh, she just sneezed at my face.
The arcade is sort of the principal physical, this long quarter mile basically of arcade. Originally, these buildings were all.
Naila, did you dream about you going big and big and big and big and big and big and big? Yes, yes. I think her cheeks are popping out more.
Her cheeks are popping out?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh, Nyla, are your cheeks popping out?
I'm gonna go get hers, okay, Mama?
Okay, you're done playing with Nyla?